Wait there. Hey, Albert! Hey, hang on. Albert's here, everyone! Track fans! Albert is here! Yay! So, track fans, for the first time ever, we have got Albert in the den with us on a live recording. And we are so up for today. So up for today. This is track 99. I did want it to be track 100, but, well, lockdown lifted and we weren't waiting. So what we're going to do is a special. We've got not one truck. That's right, we got trucks. Yay, Albert! Yes! One truck, two truck, one Civic, one Golf Lotus, one Ford GTE. That is how many cars, Albert?
6.
No.
7.
5.
5.
Yeah, 5. Come on, count them up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Boom, there you go. Track fans, we've got 5 cars in a convoy. The cars have got chips. We're going to see if we can get a couple of laps going on epic track 99. You ready? Let's drive. Yes, he's working, convoy.
Come on!
Come on, join the convoy. Oh no, it's a major stack up. Major.
Oh my goodness.
We've got it going round here. We've got it coming. Take that one off. Take that one off. No chip, see? Whoa, what have we got going on here? We've got a convoy from heaven. That's it. The McLaren. There you go, Ford. Give him a little Jimmy. There you go. We've got a major crash. We've got a truck down, track fans. Albert, we got a track down. What? This is amazing. Right then. Okay, I think we need a noodle maybe. Here we go. Right, noodles. There. Right, I think you can drive that. Put that one behind them. Gentle. That's it. Go on then. Into Gambon corner. We've got 1, 2, 3. Can we get the 4th one coming down? Come on, 4th one. Yes. Oh no, the noodle took him down.
Come on.
Okay.
The spoilers come off.
That's it. What?
Spoiler.
That's okay, we can deal that. Let's put the spoiler to the side. There you go. And we've got the Golf truck. We've got the Golf Lotus are taking the place apart. Oh, and the GTE is just derailed down here. My God, this is the best episode ever. Yes, track fans. Whoa, it's just carnage on the track. Carnage track. Whoa, we have taken out the pit lane. We've taken the pit crew have dived. GTE is on fire. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. Souped upness. This is the track of tracks. And there is just absolutely no control on track at all. It is descended into chaos, track fans. I've never seen anything like it in the den. But you know, this is what it is all about.
We need to get that one back.
Indeed. Right, well, let's get you an overview going on. I'm sure Nan, Grandad and Gran, they're all going to want to see this. Gaga, he's going to be involved. Oh, hello, the Civic is all... Right, hang on. Let us just take a swift look at this. Right, we are back Trackside. Right, yes, we've got the convoy going on. It is making good headways. There's a lot of bumper fender bending going on here. Bumper. Whoa, RTA over there.
Yes.
Incredible. Albert is running round now.
Yes.
This is great fun. Normally it's me running round there, but Albert is on form. That is it. He's getting there now. He loves crashes. Funnily enough, so does the track fans den. Absolute genius. Go on then, you take it a bit further now. Oh. Go on. There you go. Oh, he's not on it. He's not in the rail.
Okay,
Albert.
back on.
The orange truck needs putting in the rail, Albert.
Oh my God.
Over there. Take your time round there, matey. Watch out for the barriers. That's it. Shimmy round there. You've got to rescue these guys. These guys need rescuing. Track fans, he's on the case. Gently does it, mate. Gently does it. Watch them braids. That's it. Go on then. Yes. Oh, we are well away here. Have we got, I think so, drift going on in the drift circle of happiness, double truck racing. One is over the barrier. Oh my gosh, he was over the barrier, but Albert was there. He sorted it out. He got it there. Civic is off the track. Crash. Crash 1, crash 2, crash 3. That is what it's about. Are you rescuing that truck?
No!
Here's Vinny. Here's the main man, my brother. Track fans, legend. So what you don't know is what you might see if you stick around after the end credits is the original Track 99, which was a little bit different over there, but we've modified it because the trucks didn't fit under any of the bridges. Brilliant. So there we go. Oh, he's in there. Oh, he's got the Golf Lotus Evora running again. This kid is something special. Just there you go. Got to be careful on that end bit. He's back in the game. Oh, he's put the truck in there as well. It re-railed itself, if that's even a word. Gently does it, mate. There you go. Got to take it gentle. Got it?
Yeah.
All right. There. Just wiggle it gently until it... Whoa, no way. You've got a stack attack under the bridge. Fortunately, the digger is there. That is why it is there. Albert is going in. We're going to say...
I've broken some...
See you in a minute, track fans. No, we're not. He's going in. There was a major crash. Yes, there it is. He's got the digger. He's going to have to hoist the bridge, get the truck out. So on that note, track fans, we're going to leave you there. And we will see you soon. Take it easy, track fans. All right, good. No one rang me while I was trying to do that.
Is that normally what happens?
Yes. Nice one, mate.
Coffee.
Yeah. Sweet.
Quick, get it.
Come here.
Yes! That is great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
No, I need him behind. I need everybody in front of this guy. I want some mischief behind.
Really?
Yeah.
Mischief, what, on the track?
Yeah.
In the den?
Yeah.
I tell you, the outtakes on this episode are going to be epic. It's like carnage, just carnage. We love it. Get it going on. We've got bridge failure over there. Hang on, let me get around there. You stay this side, you. That's it. And then,
some mischief going on.
yeah, plenty there.
I need some mischief over here. I need some pit crew. Pit crew! We've got a broken car! Sorry, we...
What? Say what?
We got a stack.
That's all right, don't worry.
We got
The track pro's on the track. This will be repaired in no time.
I'm trying to make a bridge. Hey, I just got a great idea.
Yeah?
Make a bridge.
Insurance company's just gone bankrupt. Making a bridge?
Yeah, from this.
Oh, I see.
Go for them.
Well, you need the other truck then, don't you? To make the other side of the bridge.
Yeah.
Where is it? It's still on the floor where you drove it off the wall. Oops. Oops. That'll do it. That'll just about keep it together, I think. Okay. A little maintenance under this one. Whilst he's making a bridge there.
Yes!
Just stabilise the track again. I
want
think.
to crash. Let's give it a crash, sir.
You're not right, boy.
Yes! We got all of them going.
Yeah.
I need some crashes.
Brilliant.
Crashes give me energy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where's this little one come from?
Can you drive it without crashing though? That is the real skill. Anyone can crash, Albus. But can you keep it on the track for a whole 3 laps? 3 laps, you know. Kids can do 1 lap. Oh! So next time you go to that corner, you have to be a bit slower. Gentle. Do it
Can
gentle.
somebody let me crash? Because I love. I want to stack. Give me some cars.
Ah, what you want to do
make
is...
a line and make them crash.
come on then. Well, you've got to drive it round.
Yeah,
But if you've got to make it here first. No, go on. You've got to drive it round there to get the... to reward yourself with the crash.
Yes. So close.
Oos!
Wait, give me the noodle. I need the noodle.
I'll help you out. What we need.
Right onto the monster truck. I broke him on the flags.
Look, watch. Just after nice and gentle, put him in. There you go. Happy days. Oh, he smashed him in. He is not working at all. Right.
I need another truck.
Oh, can you smell the burning smell?
Ah,
That.
it smells.
What about if you take the front end out? So, no, you just need one truck. Go on. Yeah, see? Take it easy around there.
Okay, Pete, you try.
Big
some,
drop.
I'll make some crashes for you.
Yeah? Some obstacles.
Yeah, you'll have to crash through.
All right, what about if we crash through a crash barrier?
Yeah.
Yeah? Take cars off. We've got to find something.
The mischief car to be going.
What? You're crazy.
And I might want that. Come on. We need some more broken.
Really?
Yeah. I'm going to put them on the bend.
What about one here then? So you come down a long straight, crash!
Yeah, okay. That's
Yeah?
these are your crashes.
This is my crashes. All right.
You have to do these crashes.
What, is this part of my education?
You have to do these if you want a great video.
Okay. Right then, so we want a great video, of course. So we're going to have to crash it, innit? It's recording. It's all recording.
Yippee!
I think that bottom
crash.
one is recording as well. No, it's not recording. Oh, we missed it all. Well, no, on this camera. But that's all right. We can just do it now.
I need straight after that crash, another crash.
Yeah? What, like epic crash with the...
Yeah.
So what are we saying? Hang on, right then. So bonus
Maybe make it a
material,
little bit
bonus
harder
material
than the
crashes,
bomb.
of course. Where we're plotting our bigger crashes here. So we have an easy crash.
It's a bomb.
What is a bomb? Is he going to blow us up?
Yes.
No.
No, it's just going to blow him up.
Okay. Right. Here we go then. Right. I don't know if I can watch. Whoa! Who put the car on the track?
I did.
No way. Okay. Well, you've hidden a bomb behind the car.
No.
He's not hidden a bomb behind the car, everyone. Right. What will your nan think?
Go!
Oh, boom! And the car is away. The truck is away, but he is derailed over there. Oh, okay. Right. So.
Let's make it more fun by an
Make it more fun? What? By a double crash there?
Yeah!
Oh, my word. What, and you want me to crash it?
Yeah.
Gently, remember. That's it. Good boy. Well done.
Go!
Right, let's drive it around here, Track Fan. We're taking it to the extreme. Whoa! One crash on the Charger. Oh, he's got tied up on the caltrops. That is it, but he's away now. Yes, thank you. And under the bridge. Smash one! Smash two! Oh, he derailed on smash two. Will he make smash three? He's going to need... Good lad, that's it. Just pop it in gently where you can remember there, where you can see it. Good.
Go!
Track three. Crash, yes! But he didn't clear it. Oh, no. And help me out. That's it. And we just pop him in gently
You
there.
make some crashes for me.
Yeah, I'll make some crashes for you, yeah? Okay, then. All right, so you're going to wait out there?
Yeah.
Right, okay, Track Fans, where should we put the crash? Right, let's take him off the track. He's driving the car here. He's not even here. Let's do caravan. Grandad, caravan. Your caravan. And we'll do caravan there. And we'll do, yes, Aston Martin there. That's it, because they are proper old. Right, ready?
Coming.
Right, steady Eddie. Okay. Whoa, rams it and nearly takes out everything. Awesome, gently does it round there.
If you want to crash.
See, this is why we have barriers, track fans,
No.
because he is like me, gets so excited.
You don't need barriers when you're doing crashes.
Yes.
Taking this one off.
No, leave the barriers on. Otherwise it's impossible to drive, my son. That's it. Slowly. Who taught you to drive?
Nobody. I mean,
You learn it in the track fans den is where you learn. 1 crash, 2 crash, 3 crash, and he stopped there. He stopped at the caravan. Grandad, your car, yeah, he's rammed it. And it went off behind him. It is that fast. This truck is out of control. It is the golf truck, the truck of happiness. Yes, and meanwhile back at the ranch, the pit lane have been wiped clean out. The debris from everywhere has destroyed the commentary and the pit overlook. No. That's it. They died in natural causes. We don't do murder.